Peace YouTube, what's up? Invictus back as promised. Took me a long time, I know, but I had some private obligations to do. Here I am back on track. The thing that we will do today, I'll have to first show you that my pockets are empty. I think you can see if it's good angle, because I had to set up camera just like this because it could catch up on me entirely. The thing that we will do today will require unpacked pack of cards and a Sharpie. This trick that I'm about to do, damn, this is getting annoying. I think I'm not proportional in the video, but it's not gonna be really tough to do. If you haven't subscribed yet, you can subscribe, you know where. You can follow me on Instagram, on Facebook. I'll leave a link down. Back to the trick. I'll have to move this aside. What we will do, so we'll need Sharpie, which I will leave here. And we'll need an unopened pack of cards, which I will open right now. And inside we have packed cards, right? Which I will have to open as well. Here we go. So all cards are in, here are the jokers as well, and are in place, as it should be. We'll need a number, which I will use probably time for that. It's 1935 at the moment, and I can show that to you. Just a sec. So, what is that we will do with 1935? We'll pick 35th card from this deck. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. What number did we see? 35? 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. In this case, it's gonna be 9 of hearts. And this is part where we will need a Sharpie. You're probably asking why. That's because I'm gonna leave my own signature. There we go. So, I got my hand a little bit there, as you can see. I also got the signature, and we'll take the card, leave the rest out here. So we have a 9, right? What are we going to do with this 9? You're probably asking yourself. Well, let me see. I'm gonna put it inside my pocket, right here. Damn, this is gonna be really, really hard. What I will try, I just did it. I shifted with the mind over here. You're probably asking how. Just a sec. Let me show this pocket, right? There's nothing in there. But, just a sec. And I believe you have the signature on it. So, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you liked this. I just didn't like the setup of the camera. I'll have to get myself a new phone with a wider angle and stuff like that, or a real camera. I promise to do that soon. What else is there to say? Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. It wasn't something special, but it wasn't something bad at all. I think you can leave a comment and say what did you felt about it. Did you like it or did you not like it? What else would you do in this trick? As far as this trick is concerned, I invented it. It was my own idea, and that's all about it. Subscribe, follow, peace, stay well, and always smile. Thank you very much. Invictus out.